Graph. So in respect of graph, we can say some kinds of graphs. So first we discuss about this graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the vertices. We can say set of vertices, and order does not matter. This is set of vertices and order does not matter. So if we have this vertices with this, so we can say this is called null graph contain zero edges. This is called null graph because vertices are there but edges are not there. So we can say this is null graph with zero edges, or if it is like this only, then we can say total null graph if edges and vertices are zero. There is no edge, there is no vertices, but here vertices are there but edges are not there. And suppose we have this kind of graph 1, 2, 3, 4. This kind of graph suppose we have. So what we call it, so and one so this is called self loop, this is called self loop, and the degree, these are vertices, and these are edges, and the degree of this 1, 2, 3, 3 edges are coming, so degree equal to 3, and its degree is 1, 2, 2. Its degree is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. So its degree is 4, and these are called parallel edges. These are called parallel edges, and this is self loop. So it will get count like 2, 1, 2. So how many the degree will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and self loop count as 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So degree will be 5. And we can say for n vertices, for n vertices, the maximum for n vertices, maximum degree will be equal to infinite, and minimum degree will be equal to 0 for n vertices, like this. And one more example of this we can take. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. If a graph is like this, so we can say maximum n minus 1 edges are there. Maximum n minus 1 edges can be possible. This is called simple graph. This is called simple graph. But there is no, we can say, self loop is not present and parallel edges are not present. Self loop is not present here and parallel edges are not present here. So we can say simply, if simple graph contain n vertices. If simple graph contain n vertices, then maximum degree of any vertices will be n minus 1 and minimum will be 0. So we can how many edges are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many vertices are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can see from here. So this is called n minus 1. How many edges are there? Vertices are there? 7. And how many edges are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So n minus 1 edges, and minimum can be 0. So this is all about what is graph in simple way.